Familia. Welcome back to the episode of the Man Fragrance here. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this fragrance that kind of jumped out of nowhere from House of Rasasi Hawas Black. Now, I have Hawas Original, of course. I don't have Ice yet. Ice, kind of skipped over Ice. I mean, you know, it's been in my list to get, but it became kind of rare to get your hands on. Now I think the supply is more plentiful, but you know, we just get right to black. So now we're focusing on black. But ordered maybe about 10 days ago. Finally got here yesterday, so we're going to open it up real quick and see what it's about. Hearing a lot of good things about it, so we're gonna put it on skin, see what's going on with it, talk a little bit about it. So let's go. So this is wrapped up. I don't have my trusty knife with me today to open it up, so we'll just do the old-fashioned way. Off. So let's see. All right, here's the bottle. Nice, very nice bottle. Beautiful bottle. Kind of follow the same path of the other Hawas bottles, with that snake, kind of like a snake insignia on there. Hawas, Rasasi Hawas, right there, seal on the bottom. Hawas for him, that's what it says. Rasasi Hawas for him. Black. Beautiful bottle. The color of that juice is really nice. Kind of reminds me of the Givenchy Privé, you know, that kind of tobacco-y iteration of Givenchy Gentleman, just for the color of the juice. So let's see. I've been hearing things about it. I've been hearing it smells like Absolute, Aventus Absolute. I don't know. Let's see. All right. Yeah. I mean, I'm picking up kind of that. Yeah. Aventus-y type. All right, let's go. Let's go. Put on skin. All right. Nice sprayer, of course. Okay. Yep. Yeah, this is not what I expected. I mean, I heard people talk about it, saying it smelled like Aventus or Aventus Absolute. I still haven't smelled Aventus Absolute. Still haven't smelled that, but it does have that Aventus vibe to it. I don't know. We'll have to sit around with it and see, you know, see what it turns into. Like this is first impression. I hope it doesn't stay this way. Like I said, there's not a lot of information on notes or anything like that out there. This just dropped like 2 weeks ago. I got a pre-order. So yeah, I hope it kind of develops into something else, because you know, just to kind of be straight up with you, you know, with my people here, like I'm really tired of Aventus, like the DNA. All the clones. I haven't smelled Aventus Absolute yet, but I hope this turns into something else, because I'm really kind of over the whole Aventus thing. Aventus is a great scent. I mean, how many times are you gonna do it? I mean, I was expecting, I heard people say it smelled like Absolute. That's after I ordered it. Of course, after I ordered it, it's already in the air. I heard people say it smelled like Aventus Absolute, but I was hoping against hope. And right now, it still kind of smells like Aventus with like it's like a Fruit Loop cereal type sweetness going on here. Like it's sweet, which you wouldn't expect from a bottle like this. I mean, I'm expecting like maybe tobacco, some ambers, you know. I don't know. We'll see what develops. From the House of Rasasi, Rasasi Hawas Black. So quick unboxing, quick put it on skin. We'll see what happens. Fragrance Familia. Until next time, take care.